You're listening to the Journal Party podcast, where every week we get together for the ultimate journal jam sesh as we journal through life together as a community. My name's Alex Gallner, and I'll be your host, so here's how it works. I'll give you a journal prompt and a groove, and you just start writing. After a few minutes, you'll hear a little bell that sounds like this, and we'll move on to the next prompt. After a couple minutes, you'll hear that bell again, and we'll move on to the next prompt, and we'll just keep going on like that till we're finished. Feel free to write on whatever you like, or even just follow along in your car. If you finish before the bell, you can try to dig deeper and elaborate, or just chill out and enjoy the tunes. Don't overthink it. There's no wrong way to do this, so welcome to the party. Journal Party. What's up, party people? Today I've been thinking about how easy it is to get so caught up in the finish line of life. You know what I mean, right? I think hopefully you know what I mean. Hopefully this is like a normal experience and I'm not alone in this. That constant chase of the next big thing, the next goal, the next achievement, the next milestone. It's like we're always running to some imaginary destination, forgetting that the real magic, the true essence of life, actually happens on the journey itself. So today, we're going to shake things up a little bit and dive into what it means to embrace the journey, to find peace, purpose, and joy in every step we take along the way. So whether you're hustling toward a dream, building something new, or simply making it through your daily grind, this episode is here to help you loosen the grip on that finish line mentality. That's right. Today we're going to be jamming through 5 journal prompts to help us savor the path that we're on rather than just focusing on where we're headed. So open up that journal and let's get this party started. Here comes prompt number 1. Think back to a time when you were so focused on a goal that you missed something valuable along the way. What did that experience teach you? Prompt number 2. Choose a daily task you often rush through. How can you bring more mindfulness to this part of your day? Prompt number 3. Picture your life as a journey without a set destination. What feelings or images come up for you? Prompt number 4. Write about an achievement that brought unexpected insights beyond the achievement itself. What parts of the process are you grateful for? Prompt number 5. Imagine approaching your current goals with curiosity instead of expectation. How might this change your relationship to these goals? Alrighty, party people. I want to thank you for joining me today on this journey-focused episode. As you go about your week, I hope you keep finding those little pockets of presence, those hidden moments of joy that only come when we slow down and savor the now. Life is so much more than destinations. It's about those small, beautiful steps that fill the space in between. And remember, if you're looking for more ways to deepen your journaling practice, check out our app. It's called Journal Party. It's available in the Apple App Store, Google Play, and there's even a web-based version available at journalparty.com. It's got guided journaling exercises, mood and energy trackers, and a vibrant community of fellow journalers just like you. I'd also love to hear how this episode resonated with you, so feel free to connect with me on Instagram at journalpartyomg or my personal handle at Alex Gellner. And hey, if you enjoyed today's prompts, please leave a review. Your feedback helps us reach more people on their own unique journeys, and could always use more of that. And one last reminder before I go, love to invite you to join us every Wednesday night at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for Journal Party Live. It's our free guided journaling live stream, and it's a beautiful space to come together, journal with others, and then share insights from the heart. You can tune in on YouTube, our private Facebook group, or even directly through the app. The links to all of those are in the show notes. And thanks again for journaling with me today. I hope you keep embracing each step, and just enjoy the journey. Celebrate it. Party on.